Hello, my viewer. My name is Elsie Noel Wemi. I'm going to read for you what the Spirit of the Lord said. Sunday, June 19, 2016, we were at the church. Look at the video of a few people who was in the process of taking heroin. My little grandson, 13-year-old, was filled with the power of God through the Holy Spirit. Said to me, year 2006, 2007 were the best year. At that time, the men were more worthy of praise, and since 2007, that is to say 9 years after the year 2007, until 2016, the world is plunged into the circle of bad things that follows one another to each other, because men are unable to solve their problems that are of spiritual origin. I do not want to stay against this world, said Holy Spirit. You read this warning, you accuse. The kingdom of heaven is at hand. Matthew 10, verse 7. A time to pray, a time to heal, a time to march in solidarity. I love you guys. May the Lord bless you.